a test message. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 9992, effective until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in South Dakota: Brown, Clark, Day, Edmonds, Falk, Hand, Marshall, McPherson, and Spink. Repeating, this is a test. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to our weather radio, commercial radio, and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is a test message. Do not take action. Watch number 9992 has been issued until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown, Clark, Day, Edmonds, Falk, Hand, Marshall, McPherson, and Spink.
This is an urgent weather message for the following.
This is a test message. The National Weather Service has issued Tornado Watch number 9992, effective until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in South Dakota: Brown, Clark, Day, Edmonds, Falk, Hand, Marshall, McPherson, and Spink. Repeating, this is a test. Remember, a tornado watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail and damaging winds in and close.
This message is for test purposes only. The National Weather Service in Aberdeen has issued this as a test message. Test tornado warning for all counties in northeast South Dakota, all counties in central South Dakota, all counties in north central South Dakota until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time or 9:30 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time. This is a test message. This test tornado warning has been issued in conjunction with Severe Weather Awareness Week in South Dakota. This is a test message. No tornado is occurring at this time. Hazard, test tornado. Source, radar-indicated test rotation. Impact, none. This is only a test. This is a test message. This is a test message. If an actual tornado were occurring, you would be urged to seek shelter immediately. Again, this is only a test. This is a test message in conjunction with South Dakota Severe Weather Awareness Week. Do not take action based on this message. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in South Dakota: Brown, Clark, Day, Edmonds, Falk, Hand, Marshall, McPherson, and Spink.
A tornado warning means that a tornado has been spotted or is indicated on radar. Remain calm, but act quickly to save yourself and family. Go to the basement and get under a workbench or a sturdy piece of furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter in an interior hallway, bedroom, or closet on the lowest floor. Use blankets, pillows, or cushions to cover yourself and avoid windows. If you live in a mobile home or outdoors, seek the safety of a storm shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in a ditch or low spot and